Things are changing quickly around us during this unpredictable times of COVID-19. But no matter what problems life may bring to us in the future, Vivekanand Business School has taught us not just one but various ways to tackle it. Hi, my name is Parag Lal and I am a final year PGDM student of Vivekanand Business School, Mumbai. Even in the midst of the global pandemic, our institute was quick enough to change and revolutionize its teaching methodology. We not only moved to having our lectures online, but were also encouraged to undertake various projects and be a part of many virtual competitions, which not only helped me gain extra skills but also expand my horizon. Through all the workshops, conferences, and guest lectures I have attended, there has always been something new to learn. I can truly say that VBS has offered me a spectrum of options to pursue my career in and was instrumental in being the ideal bridge to guide me to the right organizations. I got placed in SSNC Global at the campus recruitment drive organized by the Institute. Thanks VBS for this one-of-a-kind experience which has helped me kickstart my career